Hey everyone! Welcome back to Canada Today, your go-to channel for everything trending in Canada. Today we're diving into Thanksgiving, one of the most cherished holidays. Whether you're new to the country, visiting, or just curious about Canadian traditions, stick around because this video is for you. Before we dive in, make sure to check out the link in the description for exclusive details on this topic. Thanksgiving in Canada dates back to 1578, when explorer Martin Frobisher held a feast in Newfoundland, giving thanks for a safe journey. It wasn't until 1957 that it became an official holiday, set on the second Monday of October. This date reflects our earlier harvest season compared to the US. Thanksgiving in Canada is about family, feasts, and gratitude. The meal typically includes turkey, stuffing, mashed potatoes, cranberry sauce, and pumpkin pie. But you'll also find Canadian twists like maple glazed carrots, butter tarts, and sometimes even poutine. While Americans focus on the Pilgrims and Indigenous peoples, Canadians focus more on the harvest, appreciating the land's bounty and gathering with loved ones. Thanksgiving today is a mix of old traditions and new customs. Some host family dinners, while others celebrate Friendsgiving. Many also enjoy outdoor activities like hiking, apple picking, and admiring the fall colors. And don't forget the parades, especially in Kitchener-Waterloo, where the Oktoberfest Thanksgiving Parade draws thousands. It's also a time for charity, with many people volunteering, donating to shelters, and supporting those in need. Did you know that Canada's Thanksgiving may have inspired the US holiday? Some believe American Thanksgiving was influenced by Loyalists who moved south after the Revolution. Also, Canadians eat over 3 million turkeys during Thanksgiving weekend. That's our look at Canadian Thanksgiving. It's all about family, food, and gratitude. Let us know your favorite tradition in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Canadian insights. And if you want more information, make sure to check out the link in the description for additional resources. Thanks for watching Canada Today, and happy Thanksgiving.